Hi, happy birthday to all the Leos. And today is August 8th, 2024. So I thought I'd do another video about pi. Let's talk about pi, baby. Let's talk about you and me. So pi, I got this in France, and it says here, je géométrise, which is a play on word between geometer, which is geometry for measuring in meters, and maîtriser with a AI instead of a E, which is to master. So I geomaster geography, geology, etc. And so with this tool, we can do exactly that. Because of course you can take calculus and the unit circle and all that in school, and you will get into the details of things, but that'll take you about 3 months. So I'll try to do that in about 3 minutes. Probably a little more than 3 minutes, let's face it. So the idea here is, this is half a circle, and this is a full circle, right? So the reason why I pulled out the half circle is because this is pi, really. This is half of a circle. I'll put it here where it marks. Okay? If you start at 0, which is over here, and you do half a pi is here, a full pi is over here, right? So I can put it this way and it works all the same. It's just my 0 has moved from here and my pi is now here, okay? So it is always in a position. And I'm going to put this here, and this is how it relates to the zodiac. A bit too high. There. I think that should be good. So, having done that and shown this, all you really have to memorize is the beginning point, which is 0, which I line up like so, because the sun rises east. At noon it is in Aries, between noon and 1, and then it sets in the west. So here's the point I was trying to make about these pi values and how important they were. I've already made videos about presidential things and all that. I want to address the time it takes Uranus to go around, 84 years precisely, okay? Now, Benjamin Franklin is the guy who started the almanac that is for sale in every Home Depot across the United States. And it is with that that farmers know when to plant, and in it you'll have the calendar, you'll have the weather forecast, and you'll have the references, okay? He was born on January 17th, Sun in Capricorn, of the year 1706. So Jupiter was in Scorpio. I'm going to keep my finger here so you can see. And he died April 17th, which means Sun in Aries. You can see the relationship from Capricorn to Aries is a perfect 90 degrees, a perfect pi over 2. Okay, remember we had to remember the 0, pi over 2. Pi, over here we had 3 pi over 2. And here this is 2 pi, a full circle. So here at pi over 2, boom, done. And the year 1790 means that Jupiter was again in the same place where it was where he was born, which is a value of 2 pi's. Okay? Now let's take another Capricorn born before him, the one who actually invented calculus and gave us a lot of the unit circle in details. Well, although he didn't really invent the unit circle, I don't think. He was born on January 4th, Capricorn, like Jeff Bezos, of the year 1643, so that's Jupiter in Leo, okay, which is completely perpendicular to what Benjamin Franklin was, but that's just a notice point. And he died on March 31st, which again puts the sun in Aries, 90 degrees to where he had it at birth. Okay, and when he died on the year 1727, Jupiter was right back to where it started, and he died also at the precise 84-year orbit of Uranus, with Jupiter right back where it started at 2 pi's. So that's 5 minutes and 25 seconds, but still, there.